Alright, what's going on guys? It is Alex from 𝗙𝗰𝗲𝗃 back again with another video, and today we are going to be checking out the JETech magnetic case for the iPhone 15 Pro. So we did make two videos about these cases. One is the black color that is linked right up here on the right, and we also did a blue one. Now today we are going to be checking out the storm blue variation, which hopefully matches the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro a little better. So without any further ado, you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comment, and follow all our socials if you haven't already. A little pull tab right over here. Get that open just like so. And then what do we have inside the case? Or inside the packaging, I should say. We have the case. There you go. That is the storm blue JETech case for the iPhone 15 Pro. So we're just gonna pop that right on there, and there you go. Just gonna turn do not disturb on, and as you guys can see, this is the case. It is a translucent matte back, which does mean that, as you guys can hear, it has that kind of soft touch. The grip on the sides of the case is for sure pretty good. Now, I was hoping it would match the iPhone 15 Pro blue titanium a little better. I mean, if we zoom in, it just does not quite blend in. The blue is kind of a lot stronger. So I am still yet to find, oopsies, there you go. I'm still yet to find a variation that completely flushly matches the blue titanium 15 Pro. But as you guys can see, all around, the action button, volume up, volume down, matches the same as the camera ring. All around, same thing with the side power button. We do have JETech branding on the side of our case, which is pretty nice. And then we also have the MagSafe right over here. So let me just go get my MagSafe charger. Whoopsie doopsies, right over there. Almost made our tripod fall there. As you guys can see, MagSafe attached. Sticks pretty good. Let's turn on the charger. Make sure that turns green. And it is charging. Beautiful. So it does work. Shake test. Beautiful. Is the magnet strong enough for the Lucky Duo MagSafe Charger? Yes, it is. Beautiful. So we're just going to set that aside. On the left side at the bottom of our case, we do have these two holes for the air to come out and to cool down the phone whenever it is heating up, especially during charging. I do kind of love how the black translucent matte back blends in with the darker camera cutout for the 15 Pro. On the top, nothing else. On the bottom, right over here, again, we do have our USB-C cutout and then our microphone cutouts. On the back of the phone, we do have minimal camera protection. Right there, you can see we have about a millimeter or two around the ring. And then right here on the front, once again, just a millimeter or two, as you guys can see, which is why screen protectors are always important. And other than that, pretty good, pretty nice case. Again, does it match the 15 Pro blue titanium? Not quite the best match, but it still does the job. So if you guys would like an in-depth review, make sure to go check out the two videos that will be linked right up here. I was supposed to do this unboxing with 𝗙𝗰𝗲𝗯 in Vancouver, but unfortunately those plans failed. Make sure to go check him out, youtube.com/𝗙𝗰𝗲𝗯, and 𝗙𝗰𝗲𝗯 on all socials, and make sure to go check out 𝗙𝗰𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 Anyways, it's been Alex with the storm blue JETech case. Catch you guys later.